Hello, I'm Jens. This video I will show you how to use Peak for generating business document and recording expenses for beginner. So let's get started. And after creating an organization in Peak, the first step is to go into organization setting. You can click the setting bottom and you will see the list of down below. So choose the organization setting. And then you can click edit bottom. So in this part, you can put tag ID and also your organization name, your contact info, and your register address. And also on the left side, you will see logo and stamp. In this part, you can upload your logo and stamp and also upload your signature. That signature will automatically show in the document generated in Peak. And the next step is going to document setting. You can click document setting and then click running number document. And then you can click edit. In this part, you can setting running number document as you want. To start with, prefix, symbol, year, month, date, and digits of running. And after that, don't forget to invite your employee into your organization by clicking user setting. And in this user setting, you can also set the user line as well. So let's see the detail each one of them. For the first one, the user right of view only. The user that get this right only view the document but cannot create the document. And next, for the partial right, the user can create the document, but also you can choose which type of document the user can create. For example, can create the revenue side, expense side, or both of them. And next, for the basic of user right, this user can create the document, but also you can choose that they can view or not view the report, and also they can do setting. And the final one is the admin. Admin can create the document, can see the report, can do setting, and can do advanced setting, but they do not have right equal to the entity creator.
5 4 3 2
So let's see the file box below. This file box below is about the spatial option. For example, no matter this user is admin, if you do not tick the give permission to access the Peak payroll system, they cannot see the payroll system. And after you finish choosing the user right and also finish to choosing the spatial option, you can click add new user. And after that, for the first time, the user need to accept the invitation via email. So after that, the user can see the organization. So let's start to create your business document, and the first one that we're gonna do is sell quotations. You can go to the menu of revenue and choose quotation and click create. To start up with the box of refer to, if you have any documents related to this quotation but it wasn't recorded in Peak, you can put the information in this box, but if not, you can skip this box. The next part is about choosing your customer, but in case you never created your customer list before, you can add a new contact of your customer and only just fill in the team tag ID number. Then click search. The system will automatically show the name and address based on what registration. In addition, if you want to add this document to your favorite, you can click add to bookmark, then click approve quotations. After you send this quotation to your customer, then click accepted to confirm that the quotation has been accepted by your customer and choose the accepted date as well. The next step is creating the invoice. By clicking add invoice, basically, the system will automatically show the information based on the previous quotation, and you only need to recheck the information. So click payment and select the payment date, payment receipt method, and identify payment amount, then click issue receipts. And this is one of the example for the revenue transaction. Then if you want to send it by email to your customer, you just click send email. And you want to see the document created, just click pen. The format is very beautiful and organized. Moreover, you can click edit to check the color theme, heading of your document or any information on it before printing out. And also you can click copy link and send the link of document to your customer. Next, I'm gonna show you how to create an expense by going to the menu of expenses and selecting purchase inventory record and click create. The first one is choosing your seller and the purchase product. Then identifying the quantity, the price per unit, and VAT rate. And don't forget to check the net total, whether it is the same amount as the tax invoice that you receive. If you already make the payment of this transaction, you can click Add Payment and select the payment date, payment method, and identify payment amount, then click Approve Purchase Inventory. The system will automatically record the accounting entries. Now you finish recording the revenue and expenses transaction. In Peak, we also have a very beautiful and useful dashboard that the business owner can see the annual overview of the company revenue, expenses, profit and loss for each month. On the right side, you can see the summary of account receivable, accounts payable, and the below part, they show the summary of your revenue, expenses, and cash based on the specified period of time. And at the same time, you can monitor your bank accounts that you set them as watch lists. Or you can see more detail of financial data by clicking Overview Finance. Then the system will run to the menu of finances. You can see cash in and cash out. And this will help you to estimate your future cash flow. And also we have a dashboard for the revenue and expenses. So it's easier for you to look in the detail at your big and important vendors. Then the first step is logging to the system, then selecting Peak menu and clicking Create Document. Then the system will show the type of document that you can create. For example, I will show you how to create an invoice via Line at Peak Connect. After clicking Create, the system will show all the details that you need to fill in. Firstly, identify your customer name, then click OK. Next, select your sale product and then click OK. Don't forget to check the quantity, the price per unit, the discount per unit, and VAT rate. Before approving the invoice, you can attach any images that related to this transaction. Then click Create Invoice, and that's it for generating the document by using Line at Peak Connect. The system will automatically send the link of the document, then you can copy the link and send it to your customer. And if you have any questions about how to use Peak, you can chat with our customer support on our website.